Hello everyone, welcome to Codes with Sachin. Today we are going to see how to install a request module in Python. So first of all, open your VS Code. As you can see, I am open already, and come to terminal and write pip install request. Pip install requests. So when you write this command in your terminal in VS Code, and let's see, enter. Something is happening, let's see, and installation collected package and many more things. A new release of pip is available. So you can see my request module is installed successfully. So let's see, you can see here the underlines not showing here. So with this command you can easily install your request module in Python. Thank you.